You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced and more useful pronunciations, you found the right channel. I'll link to many more videos for you at the end of this one. The top name here, the top spelling D-I-A-N-A, is either pronounced Diana, that's probably the most common in English, or Deana. The bottom name is also sometimes pronounced as Deana, but most commonly Deana. Diana, top name, or Deana, or Deana. How do you pronounce either of these names yourself? Let us know which one and how you exactly want it pronounced yourself and where you are from, so we can all learn from you. Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.